Yo, what's up mga Xmegmas? Let's go! Wow! So, ngayon, ano ko naman yung tag dito? Yung derivatives ng trigonometric functions. So, first of all, yung derivatives ng sin x is cosine x. Sa cosine x naman is negative sin x. Then, secant x is secant x times tangent x. Sa cosecant x naman is negative cosecant x times cotangent x. Tapos sa tangent x naman is secant squared x. Then, sa cotangent x naman is negative cosecant squared x. Tapos, yung palatandaan ko dito na negative or positive siya is tingnan nyo lang yung first letter ng bawat dito, tingnan nyo. Bale, lahat ng may C sa unahan, tingnan nyo. Lahat sila is may negative. Tapos, etong mga sign, secant, tangent, wala silang negative sign. Positive silang lahat. Ayan. So, simulan na natin. So, yung una nating example for using the trigonometric function is ito. Try natin yung y is equals to cosine 4x. Y prime is equals to negative sign, since ito nga negative sign, times 4x times yung derivatives ng 4x. Para lang siyang chain rule. The y prime is equals to negative 4, since yung derivatives ng 4x is 4 lang, times natin dito agad sa dito, hindi magiging negative 4 sin 4x. Ayan. Tapos try naman natin tong ito, g x is equals to 5 tangent 3x, and g prime of x is equals to 5, tapos ng tangent is secant squared 3x times d over dx of 3x, which is 3 lang. And the g prime of x is equals to 15 secant squared 3x. Ayan na siya. Tapos sunod naman natin is yung try ko yung ito. Y is equals to sin squared times 4x plus 1. Kunyari ganito yung given natin. Doon na natin sa kabila. Dito kunyari y is equals to ayan, given natin yan. Tapos hanapin natin yung y prime. Ano muna yung, since may squared siya, pwede natin siyang i-notate as sin 2x squared plus 4x raised to 2. Ayan. Tapos, sunod natin gagawin dyan. Ito yung gagamitin natin, ha. Gagawin natin, chain rule. 2 sine, wala na palang ano yan, sine 2x squared plus 2 ay plus 4x times yung derivatives ng d over dx of sine 2x squared plus 4x. Edi making ano siya, y prime is equals to 2 sine x ay 2x squared plus 4x times cosine 2x squared plus 4x. Yung derivatives netong laman neto, which is (4x) and plus 4. 4x plus 4. Ayan. So, times natin tong 4x times 4 dito sa 2. Pwede maging ano siya. Y prime is equals to 8x plus 4 sine 2x squared plus 4x then cosine 2x squared plus 4x. Ayun yung sagot natin. Amazing.